Apple finally introduced the iPhone SE 2020 with an A13 Bionic chipset and an improved camera. The company kept its tradition not to reveal RAM and battery capacity of its devices, but thanks to a listing at China Telecom's website, we got the details. According to the carrier, the new iPhone has 3 GB RAM, which is an increase over the 2 GB of the iPhone 8. But lower than the 4 GB in the other A13 phones in the iPhone 11 family. However, the power cell remains 1821 mAh, exactly the same as the iPhone 8. Other specs that the iPhone SE 2020 inherited from the 2017 flagship are the screen, the 2014 style bezels, and the Touch ID home button. It also has the same footprint and overall design. China Telecom will offer the phone in its 3 colors, white, black, red, with all 3 storage options 64 GB, 128 GB, or 256 GB, and the prices begin from $465 or 35,000 rupees and go up to $650 or 50,000 rupees. Now let's get to point. No more time pass. The complete specification of the global variant iPhone SE 2020, which obviously you need to know, is shown here. These are the network compatibility. This phone supports most of the 2G, 3G, 4G bands. The phone was announced on April 15, 2020 and launched on April 24, 2020. The phone is 7.3 mm thick and weighs 148 grams. It is IP67 dust and water resistant up to 1 meter. Moving towards display, it has Retina IPS LCD display of 4.7-inch with pixel density of 326 ppi, yay pretty small, but still it's an iPhone. Strengthened by Apple A13, 7nm Bionic chip. Hexa-core with Apple 4-core GPU. Moving towards camera, it has 12-megapixel f1.8 main camera with optical image stabilization, and its video camera can shoot up to 4K video at 60 fps. Selfie camera provided is 7-megapixel f2.2 with video resolution of 1080p at 30 fps. These are the common sensors present in the device. The device has a lithium-ion 1821 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging and supports Qi wireless charging. These are its Antutu and Geekbench benchmark scores. If you have watched the video till end, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.